मडगांवां KTC बस स्टँडा लागसर 17 वर्सां पिरायेच्या भुरग्याचेर हल्लो केल्ल्या प्रकरणात फातोर्डा पुलिसांनी प्रकाश, रमणा, वेल्मा, श्लोक संजय शिंदे, मैफूज सय्यद, सुनील बिलवार आणि अक्षय तलवार या 5 जाणांक अटक केल्या.
Today on 29th of May at around 5:30 HRS in the morning, we got a information. Actually, one person, namely Shadaf Mulla, he appeared at our police station and informed that his minor brother, name is withheld, has been assaulted by a group of 5 people at KTC Margao. So upon receipt of information, we went at the spot and then we collected the information. And then we got to know that there were 5 people involved. So all those were hiding inside their hideouts. So we got some quick information, formed the multiple teams and nabbed 4 of them. With one accused person is still absconding. 4 of them arrested are Prakash, Shlok, Maifuz and Sunil. And the hunt is on for Akshay Talwar, who is still absconding. And our further investigation is in progress. We have registered the offence under section 191 subsection 2, 115 subsection 2, 118 subsection 1, read with 190 of BNS and section 8 of Goa Children Act 2003 is also added.
The accused, who the police had claimed was absconding, he has been arrested today. So I am representing him, that is Akshay Talwar. He has basically, the police have put various sections of the BNS. Besides that, section 8, since the victim, he is a minor, the police have attracted section 8 of the Goa Children's Act. So tomorrow he will be produced before the judicial magistrate first class at Margao for remand, police custody. Which we will be objecting to. And as per my knowledge, I am given to understand that the recovery has already taken place. So, but tomorrow we will know exactly with the say what exactly investigation is pending and why they require the custody.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सगुण गावडे.